when you run your Facebook advertising campaigns, as much as you try to ensure all boxes are checked, right, in order that you are able to achieve your set target, either a lead target or a sales target, you must also never forget to check one very important box, which obviously is the Facebook pixel setup, right? You must set up your Facebook pixel in order to also get results from Facebook. In this particular video, I will take my time to walk you through how you can also create Facebook pixel or meta pixel, right? So you are able to track every form of action, either a click action, a lead action, or maybe simply a traffic action, right, into your website or into your landing page, right? And of course, I will do this in the most practical way by sharing my screen and ensuring that you can create your Facebook meta pixel when next you want to set up your Facebook or your meta advertising. So let's hop right into this, guys, right? Let's get started with the meta or the Facebook pixel setup. Hi. So to run a successful lead generation campaign on Facebook, the very first thing I would like you to always do will be setting up your conversion pixel. You want to set up a means by which you are able to retarget people, get their information, and retarget them with better promotions in the future. So generating leads in Facebook or from Facebook is good, but it should be done only after you have successfully installed your Facebook pixel. So how do you go about installing Facebook pixel? So this is how to go about doing it. First thing first, come to business.facebook.com/select, right? Just here. So I'm walking you through from the beginning of this. So business.facebook.com/select. Select that particular business manager account that you want to use. So in this case, I want to use this because it has one advert account already installed on it. So I'll simply tap on this and then it should take me to the business manager account or the advert account. So this is where it brings me to. I'll simply tap on events manager right here. So to connect your Facebook meta pixel with your website, right here, click on this connect devices or connect data sources here. So tap on web, tap on connect. Let's name this DSP and then let's create this. So this is created or is still in the process of being created. Yeah, so it says assets added. Tap on WordPress since the website was built with WordPress. Then do next right here, and then it shows us this steps. It says click to upload plugin, install the plugin, install now. So let's do next, right? And then we can see this particular one here, right? So this is the next step is asking us to follow. So to install the meta plugin, simply come to add a new plugin, and then search for meta pixel, yeah, and then it shows up right here. So install now. This will install, then activate this. So this is activated also right here. So tap on settings here, and then let's see get started. So get started, same also as what you can see in the picture here. So let's tap on get started right here. All right, so this is my Facebook account. It says continue, next. So I will select my business portfolio. My business portfolio is digital success place. So next, right? So it's asking me to select my pages. So this is the page I'd like to use, the official page for the business. Next, right? So it's asking me to connect my Instagram account. Yeah, so this is connected. Next. All right, so I'm going to be creating an ad account. So I'll simply create a new ad account here. I'll name this ad account DSP add account right here. Next. So this is rolling up. As soon as this is done, you can move on. So this is DSP add account. So I will do next right here. And then I should be getting very close to the end of the setup. So pixels. So let me create a new pixel. Let's name this DSP pixel. Right. So I'll do next right here. Alright, so this is done. I'll simply do next. Alright, so these are all that you need to do. All of this information here for DSP. I will simply check this button, automatic advanced matching. Right. Let me see what is here also. So all of these boxes also are checked. Right. So I'll simply continue right here. So what is WordPress app allowed to do? So everything checks fine. I'll do next right here. So it's linking my accounts. So as soon as this is done, then we'll be good to go with running our lead generation campaign on Facebook. So once again, do not set up a lead generation campaign on Facebook if you have not set up your metapixel data capture, right? So click on done when this is here, where you can see the same thing on your screen, right? So this closes automatically by itself and loads this particular section up for you to see. All right, it says agree. Yeah, I agree. I confirm. So as soon as I'm done confirming, everything checks fine, right? So this is good. So I'll come back here once again. I'll do next here. I'll put up my website URL. It's asking me to put up my website URL to be very sure that the traffic is going to be captured when this advert is done. So let me check my website to see if this captures. So I'll simply paste my website here and then I'll send test traffic. So the website opens up here, as you can see, and then let's see if this gets a traffic pass, right? So this is still loading up. It should fire an activity, but in the case where it doesn't do that, we'll do it again. We'll go back there again. So I scroll down to the bottom of the page and then I come back here. This is still rolling up, right? So let's see if this gets information here. So this is how to set up your metapixel. So as I speak with you right now, the metapixel is already installed, right? So let's see if this gets some data and then we'll be good to go. So it says no activity yet. Okay, I will simply close this. Yeah, I'll close this up. So let me refresh this particular page. All right, so this is the DSP event here, DSP pixel, and then also it says custom event can be used with ad features. Okay, so let me quickly review this. So I acknowledge this. So I check this, right? Okay. Then I can do next from here. So confirm custom event, right? So I can confirm this. Success. This is done. Yeah, so I've done all this it wants me to do, right? So let me go to test event. So let me go to test events. Once again, I'll paste my website URL here. Open website. Let's see if this fires up some activity. Yeah, it says processed. Page view processed. As you can see here, this is processed. This is processed already. Let's come to settings quickly. Let's close this one up. Right. Let's come to settings. So settings down here, setup. So this one here, choose a partner. Yeah, WordPress. Yeah, next. Yeah, next. So website verification is active, as you can see here, while this guy was telling us it wasn't active at that time. So this one is currently active. I can do next. right here. So at every point in this discussion where you find it very confusing, please do not forget to come to the live case study class and let's iron this out together, right? So I'll copy the link to my landing page. I'll paste it right here. Open website. So let's hope this fires up some activity here. So this website is opened up. So let's see if some activity are going to be fired. So now, as soon as we open this up in a new browser, you discover that something actually popped up here at the top, at the extreme top left section of the page. So let's track a new button. So I'll click on track a new button, right? So I'll scroll down here. This particular button needs to be tracked. If anybody fills this form and clicks on this button, it tracks it as a conversion, as a lead conversion, right? So I'll simply confirm this here. So let me choose value on page, right? Click the basket total. Okay, don't include value. Yeah, this is good. So let's confirm this. Yeah, so this is already being tracked. So let's track a new button also here. Yeah, so enroll, start your enrollment process. If anybody clicks on this, it should be tracked as a lead also. Don't include value, confirm, right? So this is already confirmed. Let's track a new button here. So no other button can actually be tracked here. So this is good, right? So let's close this up and let's finish setup. So let's finish setup here. Yes, nice. And then don't ask me again. Yeah, submit this. So thanks for helping us. Done. Right, so I can do next from here, and then I can tap on finish right here. Yeah, so my Facebook pixel is completely set up. Yeah, that is very nice to note that this is completely done. So once again, let's see. All right, so this is WordPress. This is already done some 7 minutes ago. So this is still reading some error. Well, I can just refresh this to see. So refresh this. If you see showing error, please disregard. As soon as you start running your campaign, the errors will disappear automatically. Okay, so I think the error has disappeared right here. So this is good. So everything is done. Everything checks fine right here. Yeah, so we can now go ahead now and run a campaign. This is connected, 100% complete. So I hope this is very straightforward. But once again, in the case where you don't seem to understand it, simply get back to me in the live case study sessions and then we will run it to